What is good, and welcome back to the Freestyle Trick Tip, where every week on this channel we break down some sort of a freestyle skateboarding trick. If you don't know what freestyle skateboarding is, it looks something like this. So that was an animation by my friend Satch. He's learning how to rotoscope. I'm honored that he chose to rotoscope me. Sounds weird. But yeah, my name is Mike Osterman. I'm a freestyle skateboarder. My friends and I have been doing this for a little while, and we love sharing freestyle to get y'all out there and doing it with us. We're gonna talk a little bit today about a trick called the turkey wrap, which I guess I kind of started doing 5 or 6 years ago, 7 years ago. But it is a little truck dancing trick. I think it's really flashy, and although it looks difficult, it's not really that hard to pick up. So you will begin with your nose pressed to the ground and your tail in the air. I like to have my front foot over the nose, so I'm in my normal board position and stance, with the tail in the air in sort of a nose stop, we'll call it. Now I'll have my back hand on the tail with my thumb wrapped underneath the board. That's important. The way that you have your hand is really important with how you start this trick. From here, you'll pull the board vertical and step onto the truck with your back foot. After stalling for just a quick second on that back foot, you'll want to twist the board with your hand and switch your feet, sort of doing a truck dance shuffle, onto your front foot. So now you'll probably be in like a switch pogo stance, right? That's a switch for me at least. Now from here, you'll thread that back foot through the gap that's formed between your front leg and the angle of the board. You're basically doing half of a switch saran wrap, this trick. But you're not doing it like Rodney, you're not doing it as fast. Don't worry about looking like him, because it's a useless battle. Instead, we'll do half of that saran wrap and then focus on flipping the board with your back hand down and in the direction of your front foot. The board's gonna do another 1/2 flip rotation, and you'll aim to have your back foot land on the nose of the board in a Casper stance. And of course, from Casper, you'll just flip on out. You can continue the combo with Casper variations. You can do all kinds of stuff, but that's the trick in a nutshell. Now, I wanted to talk about the whole back foot, front hand, front hand thing. I refer to these different feet in different positions of the board a lot, and I generally go off of my experience. I pogo on my back foot, I do Caspers on my back foot, I like flipping the board with my front hand when I'm doing finger flips. There is absolutely no right or wrong way to skateboard, and as much as we sort of harp on the correct way to approach a trick, and I try to really hone in on the exact way that I do tricks, by no means is my way the only way. And if you have trouble doing this turkey wrap in the way that I'm explaining it, tweak it, change it up. Try starting with a different foot on the truck, or doing the trick on the tail of the board instead of the nose of the board. You can even start the trick already in the switch foot position. That's the beauty of freestyle. You can take something and run with it. You can make it your own. A big reason why there's so many variations and so many different really unique styles in freestyle skateboarding is because people don't try to do tricks the exact same way as their peers. Once you learn something, it's up to you to make it your own and do it your own way. Otherwise, you're just gonna end up being a clone of one skateboarder, which no one likes. Make it yours, have fun with it, go out and try it. If you have any questions, need any more help, hit me up in the comments or in DMs on Instagram. Be sure to post whatever you get. If you are learning the tricks that I'm showing you, it makes my day to see you guys posting it. I just got a video from my buddy in Japan. Who learned these before I even made the trick tip, which blew me away. But seriously, tag us, let us know what you think of these, let us know how they're coming along. We love seeing progress, and we love dancing with y'all. So keep dancing, and I will hopefully see you next week. In the meantime, check out this really cool ad from Waltz that a friend of ours made. It's pretty damn cool.
Akan jadi satu di kehidupan yang kedua akan menjadi lebih mudah. Siapakah yang dapat melaksanakan sekarang berusaha mewujudkannya? Cahaya cinta perlahan